Hi students, this is the session 2 of the chapter 6, page number 101. We will start from here. Using the same rule, take it forward till you get back to what you started with. Means here you have to take the rule which is given in this 2, the relation or rule, and then you have to follow that rule up to you are getting this L first shape as a same. Okay, L. Then see, this is 45 degree, 45, then 45 plus 45, 90. Now L will come like this, then again 45 tilt, again 45 tilt, like that, again 45, again 45, again 45, and then last one is L. You got the same image as the where you have started. You have started with the L, then L you got back. So you have to follow the rule of 45-degree rotation in clockwise. Okay, now for this same 45-degree rotation, then complete this. See, after this again, now 45, again 45, again 45, again 45, again 45, and then you'll get back P letter as it is. Okay, now the next. See, some patterns are given below. On the left side of the red line, for each pattern write the rule. You have to write the rule, then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it with the mark. Okay, now see here, this is tilted by 45-degree, so 45-degree clockwise rotation is the rule. Okay, 45-degree clockwise rotation. Now what will come? This one is this. Okay, this one will come. See, this one will tilt like 45-degree. Now here, see, this one will come here, this one will come here, like every time it is rotating with 90-degree. Okay, every time it is rotating with the 90-degree. Now rule is 90-degree clockwise. Okay, 90-degree clockwise rotation. Now the next thing will come, this one, check, this one will come. Now the next, this rule is again 90-degree, but see, this one will go going like this one will going like this, so again 90-degree clockwise. Okay, 90-degree clockwise. Then what will come? This one or this one? Okay, this one will come. The next, see, this one is, see, this big circle will come here, then it came here, then it came here. It is 90-degree, but it's not in clockwise. Clockwise means, suppose this is clock and the clock hand is rotating like this direction, then it is clockwise. In this direction, then it is anti-clockwise. So this is 90-degree, 90-degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Then next thing will come here. Say this one will go here as a 90-degree. This one will go here as a 90-degree. So this one will, this is not true, because this is again anti-clockwise, but you have to go in this direction. So this one will come here, this one will come here. This is anti-clockwise rule. Okay, now look for a pattern. Mark the picture which is breaking the rule, also correct it. Okay, now the rule is up and down, up and down, up, down, up, down should be here, but it is not. So this picture is breaking the rule, or this image is breaking the rule. Now the next, 90-degree, then it is 90-degree, then 90-degree, then again 90-degree, again 90-degree, but it should come down. It should come down in 90-degree clockwise. So this image is not correct. Now see, up, up, down, up, down. See here, up, then down should have come here. So this is a wrong image. Okay, now see here, square outside, triangle inside. Now triangle outside, square inside. Square outside, triangle inside. Now here triangle outside but square inside should be there, but here it is given circle inside. So this image is wrong one, or this picture is breaking the rule. Okay, now the next magic square. Now see, one square is given here. Here you should have the numbers given, four numbers are given, 49, 46, 52 and 47. Now in the remaining places you have to fill the numbers which will from 46 to 54, means they has to be from 46 to 54 only. Okay, now what you will do? First, take the row in which two numbers are given. See, in this row, two numbers are given, 52 and 47. Now, 52 plus 47 you have to do 52. 52 plus 47, 99. Now, 150 minus 99, you'll get 51. You'll get 51. Now, you have to put here 51. Now, 51 46 or 51 for here 49 and 47 is become, this one is over. Now 49 and 47, then 49 and 47 addition you have to do, 49 and 47 addition is 96. So 150 minus 96, then you'll get 54. Now this one you got. Now 46 plus 54. 46 plus 54 is 100. So 46 plus 54 is 100. So 150 minus 100 is 50. Now you got this. Now here in this line you got already 2, and in this line you already got 2. So 92. 52 plus 50, 92. 150 minus 92 is 48. Now 46 and 51 you got already. So 46 plus 51 is 97. So 150 minus 97 is 53. Or you can do 49 plus 48, then 49 plus 48 minus 150. Okay, that addition result you have to subtract from 150, then you'll get 53. Okay, now with the same formula you have to do here, but it is given 21 to 29 you have to fill, and each side is having addition 75. Then try this. Can you solve it or not? Then in the next session I will show you the answer. Okay, try this at your own. You can try at your own how you can fill the numbers 21 to 29 in the square. Then if you can't, then next session I will solve it. Just you have to try this. Thank you, students.